Hello everyone. The Patriotic Alliance Deputy President Kunene has been appointed as the acting Johannesburg Mayor. Kabelo Kwamanda is away on business. Kunene is a member of Mayoral Committee for Roads and Transport. He'll be acting only for 2 days while Kwamanda is in Cape Town on government business. Kwamanda wrote an appointment letter that stated, "In my capacity as the Executive Mayor of the City of Johannesburg Metropolitan Municipality and an authority vested on me by the Municipal Council, I hereby delegate Councillor Kunene, member of the Mayoral Committee of the City of Johannesburg Municipality, to act as executive for the period between 14 and 15. Earlier this year, Kunene took on his new portfolio as MMC for Roads and Transport in the city. In February, he told the Star he would donate his salary as an MMC to the poor. He said he understood the frustrations of the people of Joburg and wished to serve the municipality with vigor. The PA leader, Gayton Mackenzie, took it to his timeline and congratulated Kunene on his new acting role. Duduzile Zuma also congratulated Kunene and wrote, "I really love to see this. This shows and gives people with past hope that anything is possible and people can change and better themselves. Everyone deserves a chance to provide themselves. All the best to PA and to KK." What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.